Well, the Supreme Court has intervened to bring justice to an inter-caste couple that wanted to marry against their parents' wishes.
Now, what's surprising about this particular case is that the girl's father happens to be a sitting judge in the Rajasthan High Court. He had allegedly restrained his daughter at home to prevent her from eloping.
Well, the judge, Justice R.S. Rathore, had confined his daughter in Jaipur after she wanted to marry a man outside her caste. His daughter's partner then approached the Supreme Court with a habeas corpus petition demanding the woman be produced before the ethics court.
The woman told the court that she wanted to marry her partner. Following that, the court asked the local police to ensure her freedom and safety.
A girl who was actually an adult, the daughter of a sitting Rajasthan High Court judge, and the petitioner, her partner, suggesting that she was actually kept under illegal confinement, wrongful confinement, and had to file a habeas corpus petition, sir?
Yes, it is correct.
So, what exactly were the reason for the two people, the two partners, for not being together?
It is maybe because of family values difference. One is caste issue was very much there. There was some rift as well. There was some discussion as well, but somehow same could not be materialized or decided. That's why this petition has been filed.
Okay, but this is not the first step that Mr. Mukherjee over here actually took. We're given to understand that he approached the local authorities, the police officials. Yes. He went step by step. So could you just tell our viewers a little more about how he reached the Supreme Court?
Both girl and boy, both have approached to various authorities with stating all these facts and everything. They repeatedly state they want to marry each other, and because of this inter-caste issue, family of lady was not agreeing for. So that's why since the father was sitting judge in High Court, this was no other option except to file the matter in Supreme Court.
And Devankar is with us for more on the story from Jaipur. This is a curious story, but also a little worrying because this was a sitting High Court judge involved here.
Absolutely, Pierre. Someone who is considered as someone who would uphold the values, the moral values and the principles of the society per se. Let me tell you that for several days, the allegation is that this girl was kept in illegal confinement by her father, who was not happy with the kind of alliance that she wanted to have with this particular guy. And that is how the man wanted to marry this girl, and he approached several authorities. What I'm getting to learn is that he, over a period of certain days, approached the DGP and several other authorities. But when no succor was coming from any of the quarters, he decided to approach the Supreme Court. The girl was asked to be brought to the Supreme Court, and that is how the entire matter was resolved.
All right. And did the Supreme Court mention anything about the judge who was the father in this case, who had restrained his daughter? Any action that could be likely against him?
Well, Ruchika, no punitive action has been considered by the Supreme Court as far as the father of the girl is concerned. In fact, the girl herself mentioned at the Supreme Court premises that she has nothing against her parents, that she loves all of them, but then she wants to be with this guy, and that is why she should be allowed to go with this guy. And that is when the Supreme Court asked the station house officer of Gandhinagar, Jaipur, to ensure that the girl gets to be with this guy.